slow. Shadows claw at the edges, I know. Piece by piece, the core comes undone. Dismantle my soul under the gun. Fray connection, synapses snap. Void encroaches, filling the gap. Whispers of identity fade into black. Dismantle the framework, no turning back. Dismantle my soul, tear it apart, lose control. No mercy in the breakdowns hole. Fragments scatter, stories untold. Dismantle my soul. Wise of will, stripped and bare, exposed to the cold, despair in the air. Gears of the heart grind to a halt. Dismantle the frame, assault by default. Memories bleed like rust on steel, peeling layers. What was real in the workshop of woe? Tools so sharp, dismantling dreams, playing the harp. Yo, soul surge and slice, dice the divine. Fine line between the live and the decline. Dismantle the core, pour out the lore. More than before, war on the floor. Chopped up identity, screw sanity's thread. Dread in the head, red flags widespread. From the blueprint to dust, trust in the bust. Must deconstruct, erupt in disgust. Soul scaffold, fall of the void. Avoid the rebuild, deploy then destroy. Bolts of belief, loosen and lost. Tornado with term will count in the cost. Dismantle the spirit, shatter the shell into the abyss where the fallen dwell. Echoes of essence scattered like ash. Crash of the construct in the flash. No glue for the pieces, broken and bent. Dismantle forever, no repent. Dismantle my soul, tear it apart, lose control. No mercy in the breakdowns hole. Fragments scatter, stories untold. In the ruins, the truth unfolds. Dismantle my soul. Breaking down barriers, souls, demolition crew, true to the tear. Wear and renew, dismantle the facade, parade of the pain. Gain nothing, chain to the drain. Chop convictions, screwed moral code. Load of the lost, explode the abode. From the pedestal, high to the gutter low. Flow of the fragments, go with the flow. Souls autopsy, copy of the end. Send the signals, bend and transcend. If I rebuild from the ruins, so vast with the soul return or forever past. The pull of the pieces, scattered and lost. Dismantle complete, at what cost? Whispers urge to assemble again, but the void calls pulling me in. Dismantle my soul.